4 of our managers took part in the M.A.D research project into team productivity. They spent a week at M.A.D and then returned to the factory to embed those tools and techniques into their teams. The results were pretty spectacular. My assembly production manager was really keen on embedding the tools and techniques into his team. He saw it as a real vehicle for true culture change within the organisation. My assembly manager had 4 areas that he wanted to action: the M.A.D exercise and 3 of the other production lines, and the results were quite dramatic. So the M.A.D exercise reduced the changeover time from 90 minutes to less than 5 minutes. Now, nobody thought that that was possible. With the second of the assembly areas, he increased productivity by 7%. The third was by 26%, and the final was by over 30%, just by releasing the creativity within the team, by asking those possibility questions that freed their mind and gave rise to a future state that nobody had possibly imagined. So a second one of the coaches was working on a specific project to reduce the complexity of manufacturing batch files. So one of our batch files was over 200 pages long, took 2 hours to review, and typically right first time was about 30%. Using these tools and techniques, she coached a multidisciplinary team, and they managed to reduce the number of batch pages down to about 50. They reduced the checking time down to half an hour, and the right first time was up above 85% on average. But in July, it was 100%. That's the first time we've ever achieved that. So we had really tangible benefits from attending the course and using the tools and techniques. Not only was there simplification of our processes, but we also released an extra 1 million device capacity in the facility. And the tools and techniques seemed so much fun that I thought I'd better go and get myself trained on them as well.